I was approached by Lexus to do this proposal during the summer of 2021. And at this time, they had told me that they have a brand new vehicle that they're debuting, completely electrical platform SUV. It's the LFC Electrified. And so what's amazing about this is, as someone who's very familiar with the Lexus brand, to get this opportunity is something that I absolutely had to take over. And so when they brought the proposal, they mentioned to us that carbon neutrality is important. Human-centered design is most important. And for me in my practice, everything is user-centric. If we're not prioritizing the individual, who are we doing this work for? The primary focus of the entire installation is the car. There's a one-to-one scale wireframe version of the entire vehicle that will be lifted and hovering inside of the space. What's important about this is it's embedded with LED lights, and it's all of the important lines that the Lexus craftsman put into the design of this object. So we took the digital model and we stripped it all the way down to its basic components. The iconic Lexus grille, the very sleek, sporty-like exterior, and then we turned that into an actual 3D model. So when you come to the fair, you'll be able to see this weightless version of the car, which references this electrical future. On the perimeter of this car are two swings. Those swings are in the shape of an arch, and that's important. University of Miami has a very long history of classical architecture. And the last component is the furniture elements. So it's this entire robust proposal that blends the history of the University of Miami, Miami Art Deco architecture, the craftsmanship of Lexus, and the gateway towards a new and better future. Lexus has an amazing CGI team. And so I've been working with that team for the last few weeks to create a platform so that those who are not present can have a way to engage in the installation. The swings will light up, the car will light up, the furniture will be present. And a person can click and change the lighting within the app. And I think what's extremely cool about that is the fact that there could be a 5-year-old who we don't know that puts together an amazing color palette that our team selects, and then they can say, I'm a part of this exhibition in Miami. When people come to Design Miami, my hope is that when they reach the Lexus booth, it's a place where they can relax. But while there, learn about carbon neutrality, learn about an electrified future, learn about Lexus. And I think these are all things that are possible because the installation is one that's accessible. It's not filled with technology that one cannot understand. It's something that really does focus on a one-to-one scale person. And that's important for me in my practice because if my grandmother can't understand it, then I've done something wrong.